This is the center area of Nami Island. No? This is the marker where our tourist guide says that we have to turn right. So in this area you have a lot of establishments. That area, I think it's a accommodation. Then turn right, you have Winter Wonder Island. There's an option to proceed here. So we're only given 2 hours na to make a slow walk, stroll here. Hindi rin masyado mapansin yung saan tayo niya? Ay, turn right na, no? Kasi 30 minutes na lang. Oh, what is this? Ostrich. Ito yung favorite na activity here. Toasting or grilling of marshmallow. Then you have we're going right na, turning right. Oh, ano to? Ano siya? What is this one? Structure? Maternal lab nestled on Nami. Ganon. Ayan. Okay, we turn right na. We have only 30 minutes.